Where's Addison?
Right here.
Where's your cousin? Come on, let's go get your cousin. Where's your cousin? Go get her.
Go get her.
Come on, go get Addison. Let's go get your cousin.
You're trying to get out of the way. He's so funny. Aww.
But, be nice.
You're snitching. You're a mess. I love watching him walk. It is
I know.
adorable.
Frankenstein.
Easton, where you going, bud? Easton.
You can't go back in there. You're clean and ready for night-night. You're ready for night-night time.
No, I'm not.
Not you. Baby
Baby
Easton.
You smell good, baby Easton. You always look at me when I don't have my camera on. Every time. Then when I have it on, he won't look.
I know. Trickster.
I'm uploading pictures on my Facebook.
Oh, good.